Right, ready?
Yeah, 2 minutes, 3 minutes.
Extinguisher right here in case it goes fucking mental.
Oh, here we go. Will the plastic melt?
Oh, my phone's going a bit now.
Wait, it goes, after it glows really, really bright white, but it goes for all the colours like purple. So here we go. It turns purple after a while, doesn't it? Here we go, here we go.
Oh, that's the match, yeah. Look at that.
There goes the match.
Fucking hell.
No, it's not the match. The match, yeah. It's like the World Cup of shit.
Whoa! Whoa! That doesn't stop to it. Asshole.
I just shit my cat.
Oh, what is that?
I killed some safety goggles, right?
I've got like 6 days somewhere.
Ooh!
Oh shit. Shit, there's a lot of smoke.
Just wait, don't go near it, it's alright.
I think we should...
Get it.
Ah, lads.
You don't like hard rock climbing things?
This is what?
Oh, but they've exploded.
Close it.
Oh no, yeah, why did we not it didn't explode. Yes, I don't know what so we want it to explode.
Not
It's closed, obviously.
Right, if you power it down and turn it off, do you want me to just spray it?
No, I want to spray something with this.
Yeah, there we do. Top the cubes.
Yeah.
For the win.
Still recording, by the way.
Still recording. We better put the background back on.
Right, go, put the back on.
Hold on.
Carry back out.
Light off! Oh! Is that a bad idea, man?
No, I'm gonna die.
That's a stupid idea to put it back on.
Oh shit, it's on fire again.
I'm not doing this, Ben.
What's this we learn?
Nothing!
What's this? That's gotta go out. Turn off it. It's on fire.
Ow!
Open it.
Jim!
No,
it doesn't need to
no.
Everybody in this room needs to spray right now!
Let it go out.
What is it? Lots of...
It's meaty.
It sticks, alright?
It was an idea that got out of hand, Jim.
Glass stick!
But you look at it, I think it's like, we already put tinfoil in. I said, let's put a light bulb in, so we did. And we realised if we combined a light bulb with tinfoil
And the CD.
and the CD
And a shot glass. Well, apparently no good could come of that. Only a firing turn up too.
It was all going on with this as well.
James, I thought the world's going to end. I thought we a black hole created.
Big light on James.
Well, now she's at the farm, I'm going to go home. Fucking hell.
Tom!
I think that's the next video. I don't want to be a killjoy, but I'm not trying to destroy the house here.
Yeah, but just the mic.